The question is, how do I add text to a picture and follow an irregular path? I chose the Apple Core here because it does have some irregular lines to it. And just to show you that it is a picture, we're going to go up to View and select Wireframe. You can see there is no line for the text to follow. So we're going to create a path. Come back to View and go to Enhance. And the first thing we're going to do is create the line. Now, this is the tool I prefer and I like using. It's called a 3-point curve tool. And the way this tool works, with the left mouse button, hold that down for a starting point and just take the line wherever I want to the ending point, let go of the mouse button, and then go back, and I can take that shape and do whatever I wish to it. So I want to follow the path of the Apple Core here, and we'll do this a couple times. Good. Now we have a path for the text to follow. So now we're going to bring in some text. And I'll type in the word apple. Spell it right there. Go back to my pick tool. Now I want to change the font on that to Arial Black. 35 point. Now that we have our text, I'm going to fit it to the path. We do that by going up to the text tool, clicking on text, and fit to path. Now, when I bring my arrow down to the line, you can see the word apple. I can bring it underneath the line, on top of the line, so I can move any way along the line here. That looks pretty good. Okay, let's just add another word. Hope I spelled that right. Again, I'm going to change it to the same as the apple, so we're going to go up to our fonts, change that to Arial Black. I'm also going to change that to 35 point. And we'll fit it to the path that we created. We'll go up to text, hit the path. And again, once I put the arrow down towards the line, you see the word festival, and just slide it in there and position it right where I want it. That looks good. Okay, I'll change the color on that so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, now we still have the line there, and that will show up, especially if you're doing cutting. And if I want to add lettering to a picture like this here, I'm going to use a vinyl cutter. I want to get rid of that line. So I'm going to select the word apple. And if you look down the bottom here, you'll see a compound object of 3 elements. If I hit my tab key, that's my artistic text. Control curve on layer 1. That's the one I want to get rid of. I hit delete. And I'm just going to keep with my tab key just to make sure I've got it all. Okay. So there's my Apple Festival along the curves, and hope that helped, and if you need any more information, just let me know.